Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you share music on Discord. So if you want to share music from your music library, at first just go to your music. Then the music, after selecting the song that you want to share, just click the top right three dot icon. Now click on share. Now just choose Discord. After choosing Discord, you can add a comment. It is optional, and you can select the channel or category that you want to share. And after that, just click the top right send icon. Now here you can see I have successfully shared a song on Discord. So guys, that's how you can share song on Discord. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.